In 2026, Turkey's military is transforming into a self-reliant force, driven by a clear national strategy. Rather than relying on foreign suppliers, Turkey is building its own advanced hardware, unmanned systems, precision munitions, and naval platforms. As one of NATO's largest armies with real combat experience in Syria, Iraq, and Libya, Turkey is now a key regional player. This modernization is about more than just new equipment. It's about strategic autonomy. Political rifts with allies have shown the risks of dependence, so Turkey's defense industry is now central to its security doctrine. The military is becoming more expeditionary, able to operate far from home for extended periods. New ships like the TCG Anadolu and a growing tanker fleet extend Turkey's reach. These capabilities let Turkey project power in the Black Sea, Eastern Mediterranean, and Middle East. In 2026, Turkey is no longer just a defensive actor. It's an assertive power with the means to shape its region. The shift is bold, ambitious, and signals a new era for Turkish military identity. Turkey's armed forces are now built to protect national interests and pursue growing ambitions. The Turkish Navy's expansion is a clear sign of its rising power. The TCG Anadolu, a multi-purpose assault ship, acts as a floating base for helicopters, drones, and troops, enabling operations far from Turkish shores. New Race-class submarines with advanced propulsion make Turkey a serious Mediterranean threat. In the air, the TFX Khan stealth fighter and upgraded F-16s showcase Turkey's high-tech ambitions. But drones like the Bayraktar TB2 and Akıncı are the real game-changers, offering surveillance and precision strikes at low cost. Turkey's missile programs, like the Etmaka anti-ship and Cyper air defense systems, provide both layered defense and powerful offensive options. These domestically built systems reduce reliance on imports and boost freedom of action. Turkey's military now integrates sea, air, and land platforms for coordinated networked operations. Investments in command and communications tech turn these assets into a truly modern fighting force. The result, a military that's flexible, connected, and ready for complex regional challenges. Turkey's integrated approach is redefining its role in the region. Turkey's geography, bridging Europe and Asia, controlling the Bosphorus and Dardanelles, makes it a strategic crossroads. Surrounded by unstable neighbors and contested seas, Turkey must be strong on land, sea, and air. This tough environment drives its push for a self-sufficient defense industry. Past arms embargoes and political disputes have shown the risks of relying on foreign suppliers. By building its own drones, ships, and missiles, Turkey ensures sovereignty and independent decision-making. Companies like Baykar, TAI, and Aselsan now produce world-class tech, exported globally for revenue and influence. Domestic production allows for customization, naval platforms for the Aegean, drones for Middle Eastern conflicts. Direct feedback from the battlefield to the factory keeps equipment practical and effective. This approach makes Turkey's military more lethal, resilient, and tailored to its unique challenges. Geography and self-reliance are at the heart of Turkey's defense strategy. Turkey's military strengths in 2026 are clear size, combat experience, and world-leading drone technology. Its domestic defense industry underpins strategic independence and future growth. Yet, challenges remain. Reliance on foreign components for engines and complex relations with NATO allies create vulnerabilities. Diplomatically, balancing regional ambitions with alliance commitments is a constant test. In the Black Sea and Eastern Mediterranean, Turkey's navy is dominant. Its air force outpaces regional rivals like Iran. Within NATO, Turkey stands out for its large army and unique unmanned capabilities. While not a global superpower, it's a top-tier regional force, able to influence events beyond its borders. What sets Turkey apart is its blend of traditional strength and modern innovation, especially in unmanned systems. Its strategy, shaped by geography and a drive for self-sufficiency, has created a powerful, assertive, and independent military. In 2026, Turkey is a force that cannot be ignored.
Join Intel Prime Channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.